Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into a must know topic for any DevOps system admin SRE, that is how to upgrade Python on your RHEL Linux system without risking any disruptions, even if you are upgrading completely offline, meaning there is no internet connectivity to your server. In this step by step guide, I will reveal a reliable method to upgrade Python seamlessly while preserving your system's stability. Stick around because by end of this video, you will have the confidence to handle Python upgrades like a pro, even in the most restricted environments. I'll cover why this alternatives method is essential, how it benefits system administration, and break down every command we use. Let's get started. Before that, why this approach is useful? By using alternatives method, we can seamlessly switch between Python versions without disrupting existing applications or system dependencies. That's where the powers comes in. You can actually switch back and forth between Python versions, which might not be useful, but let's say if the upgrade had some issues, but then in that case you can actually switch back to your current version of Python, which is working without any issues. Let's get on to the machine. So let's see what's the Python version here. So I see it is 3.9.18. Let me show you the OS I'm using, Red Hat 3.9.4. So the first step would be to register current Python version using alternatives, because that's where you will be able to switch back. If you see there is no entry, which means there is no Python version registered with alternatives. So let's try to register it using this command. It would be 3.9, and if you see, now I have registered the current version 3.9 here, and I gave selection as 1, so that's the number it shows here. And next, let's try to download the Python source code. Yeah, in your case you can actually use the same URL, copy paste in the browser to download the tarball, and then you can use WinSCP like tools to move the tarball from your laptop to the server and then proceed with the next steps. There is no issue with that. Let's untar this file. Cd Python. Now let's configure Python source code with configure enable optimization command. This command optimizes the build, making Python run more efficiently. I missed dot. Next, we'll use make alt install to install Python. Alt install option ensures new Python version doesn't override the default system version, keeping core system tools safe and operational. So let's run make alt install. Now Python 3.10.2 version is installed. Let's verify. So if you see, Python 3.10.2 is installed, and if you look at system Python version, it is still 3.9.18. Now let's register the new version of Python using alternatives. So I'm just executing it, and to verify, we can just use the same command alternatives hyphen hyphen config. If you see, right now we see Python 3.9 and 3.10. But let's say if you wanted to select Python 3.10, all you have to do is, and here it says type selection number. So as of now, plus symbol indicates that that's the default Python, as you see here. And now let's switch to 3.10 by selecting 2 as an option. So if you perform Python hyphen hyphen version, now you see it is 3.10. Similarly, if you have some issues with 3.10 and if you wanted to switch back or revert back to previous version, all you have to do is simply type in and then press 1 because that's the selection for 3.9, and then enter, and then you can verify. You're all set. And that's it for the video. We have successfully upgraded Python offline on RHEL Linux using alternatives method. This approach is particularly useful in secure or restricted environments and ensures your system remains stable. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.